Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong kahit na anong mangyari.
Hi guys, we just arrived at the Impasugong Terminal. Karon, na si Auntie, one of the sellers of the iconic Binaki.
Kahit nasaan ka man patungo, ngunit ngayon kay bilis maglaon ang kahapon. Sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan.
Impasugong, located in the province of Bukidnon, Philippines, is a municipality known for its scenic landscape, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant community. Nestled amidst lush mountains and verdant valleys, Impasugong offers visitors a glimpse into rural life with its agricultural terraces, traditional villages, and warm hospitality. Whether you're seeking adventure in its natural wonders or simply craving a retreat from the city life, Impasugong promises an unforgettable experience.
Barangay Poblacion holds a special place in the heart of Impasugong, Philippines. As the town's geographical and historical center, it is a hub of activity and cultural significance. The name Poblacion derives from Espanol, meaning town center. Its role is the nucleus of the community life. Established centuries ago by Spanish colonizers, it continues to be a focal point for celebrations, gatherings, and preserving the town's rich traditions. Today, Barangay Poblacion stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Impasugong, where the past meets the present in a never-ending journey along the vibrant tapestry of culture and heritage.
Impasugong, a municipality in Bukidnon, is characterized by its serene rural setting and its role as a gateway to the Kitanlad Mountain Range Natural Park. The town is known for its natural wonders, including rolling hills, pristine rivers, and verdant landscapes. Agriculture is a key industry in Impasugong, with lush fields and plantations dotting the scenery. The municipality is home to various indigenous communities, contributing to the cultural diversity that defines Bukidnon.
Kung sakaling kipitin ay laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.
of Ipasugong Bukidnon, known as the home of the country's finest cowboys. The picturesque landscape and its combination of brown and green colors make the place more cinematically spectacular. The ranch has a New Zealand vibe exuded by the mountain's unique contour and the pine tree plantation that can be seen from the main pasture. Aside from a mountain backdrop, a conspicuous man-made pond on the ranch is a perfect picture spot for tourists and for a prenup. The image of the mountains on the opposite side of the ranch mirrors onto the pond mixed with the white and blue colors of the clouds, making it a magical sight to behold.
CEDAR. CEDAR stands for Center for Ecological Development and Recreation is one of the tourist spots here in Pasugong, Bukidnon. It is the first reforestation project in Mindanao, which was embarked in 1972 by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. It aims to protect the entire 1,700 hectare land, which composes of cold springs, natural forests, man-made swimming pools, and of course, its enticing cascades of waterfalls.
Sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan. At kung sakaling kipitin ay
I am Angel Fernandez,
I am Kurt Andre Rivera.
I am Real El Romo.
I am Angela.
and we will come back here in Ipasugong, Bukidnon.